So we're here today with teaching artist Haley. Haley, what are you going to draw with us today?
Today I'm going to draw a dog. First I'll start with the largest shape that I see here. And this object, this dog, seems to be about the same height and width. So a square will work. Then the next largest shape would be the torso. And I'll lay that in with a rectangle. Then I've put in a very light circle for the head, and I'm using triangles for the legs because they are smaller at the bottom and wider at the top. I've put a small rectangle for the tail, generally the width and length of the tail, and some triangles for the ears. Now that I've mapped out the whole dog with basic shapes, I can start to look at more of the details. This isn't the actual speed of my drawing. This has been sped up quite a bit, but maybe some of you start your drawings this way, where you outline the object, and I'm doing that now, but with all of the great framework of the basic shapes that help me map out the proportion of this dog. Even as I'm adding more and more details, I wouldn't be surprised if I still had to make adjustments to this sketch.